Hi, my name's Dhiran Mistry and I work at the John Barrett Salon in Bergdorf Goodman. I'm an English hairstylist from London. I've been in New York for 3 years. My passion is in cutting and styling hair. I've been doing hair for 10 years. I believe that in order to be good at what you do, you have to be in love with what you do. You have to dedicate a lot of time and effort to your professional trade. I create relationships with all my clients. It's a nice experience for them to come and see me in the salon. We're in a great location. There's a great view. You know, there's a very good atmosphere up there. Everyone's very friendly. It's not a place where you feel like you need to have your hair done before you walk through the door. Some places can be very standoffish. You know, you feel a bit intimidated when you're going into the salon. We're not like that. I see every client as an individual. You know, I don't like to treat everyone the same because then you'll end up doing the same haircuts on everyone and you won't be producing a different variety of work. So when you can give someone what they want and make them look better at the same time, it's very fulfilling to be able to achieve that. You know, and the more difficult the client, the more specific their needs, I think the more challenging for us and the better it makes us. So anything that challenges you in hair, as long as you attack it in the right way, it can make you a better hairstylist. If you'd like to learn more about what we do at the John Barrett Salon, or if you'd like to come and see me for an appointment, go and visit the John Barrett website, which is johnbarrett.com, and you'll find all the necessary information on there.